Hello everyone, Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working with the Close to My Heart timber collection again. And I'm just going to show you real quick. There it is. Here is the instruction booklet, and we are on the very last page of the workshop. I'm just going to go ahead and put that to the side. Those are my instructions. Been trying to follow that pretty much to the T, and let me tell you, super simple, easy. I mean, these came together in absolutely no time at all. You can tell here I really didn't even speed the video up. It's darn near real time. I've just been trying to keep all my videos to around 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know, let me know if you want them longer or shorter, give me a little feedback. So I did go ahead and grab, this is a zip strip from one of the other papers. When I open up the packet for the first time, I go ahead and just do all of the cuts right away off camera so that they're all ready to go when I'm ready to go. I'm just going to go ahead and layer that up in the bottom like it says should do. Maybe it's the top, not sure. We're going to find out when I'm done. And I'm just getting that stuck nicely down. I'm going to go ahead and see what the instructionees tell me to do there. Now this is Close to My Heart cardstock, has a dark side and a light side, and I don't remember the color off the top of my head. Beautiful color though, so I just was flipping that smaller piece over to make sure I had the correct side, which is the dark side is the true color, and then it's just the other side's just a tad lighter, so it like coordinates very, very well. And I'm just go ahead and kind of placing these to where I think it looks good to my eye. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I was gonna say I move it over a little bit because the spacing wasn't even on the sides. And I go ahead and take it off, but that's so that I can use my T-square ruler and go ahead and line this one up to get it straight. So I've got it placed where I want it to go, and I'm very carefully putting adhesive on this as to not move the T-square ruler. And then I'm looking to see where it's kind of supposed to be on the page. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the other one, and I'm going to make sure that it is kind of lined up. And then I butt it up to the other one, the first one, so that it's even across, and then I'm going to make it straight. Same process. But what I was doing there was looking as to where it hit on the ruler. And then we're going to do the little short guy. He's going to be next. And as long as he lines up on the bottom, I guess it really doesn't matter. And I probably could have turned my paper and made sure it lined up, and you never know, I might actually do that. Nope, I don't. I had already had adhesive on that guy. Not real sure what happened or how. Again, this is I believe, a link to my channel below if you would like to pick this collection up or any other collection in the catalog for this month, July and August. Because this is, to me, is a fall themed mountain hiking be one with nature layout, which I absolutely love. I don't have any photos as of now. I have done pretty good on getting all the photos that I had printed from years past into albums and on layouts this year so far. I'm really impressed. I started the year out with 2 full picture boxes, and I mean full. And I have about a fourth of one box left, so I just submitted another order to Shutterfly for it's free 4x6 and 4x4 prints. You just have to order them in batches of 250 and pay for shipping. So it was like $20 for over 250 pictures. I print a lot of my stuff from home, but I was trying to, build up my stock, and I didn't want to use all my ink and paper. Now this is from the die cuts packet that you get with it, and I went ahead and put some foam tape on this, stuck that little sticker on it and foam taped that up, and the little banner piece as well. And I went ahead and put foam dots all over it and removed the adhesive. I did not make you watch that, just letting you know. So I went ahead and got that all down, stuck on the page. Now the photo mats, I will just be able to, yeah, I know, see. Those are all over my house, everywhere. I think they multiply. I'm going to go ahead and take these little banner strips that also are part of the die cuts. And I'm just going to get adhesive on everything that needs adhesive at this point and start layering it where it needs to go. That cute little tag up there goes to the top. This sweet little plaid piece goes on this side, and then the shorter one's going to go on the other side. I'm going to make sure it's straight. And I think there's just a little bit left to do, and then we'll call this one done till I have pictures for fall. The journaling strips. I think there's 3 of these that I'm just going to cattywampus in here. Oh, no, I'm going to make them straight. I should have done that a little off kilter, but I did with the layout what the instructiones told me to do. And then I get them really sealed down and I decide I need to move them. And that is apparently straight to my eye while I'm sitting there. Not so much right now. Go ahead and give me a like if you liked the video, and check out my website to pick any of this stuff up. And I'll see you guys next time. And I will remember to put that on next time as well. So thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.